In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hubstaff. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Hubstaff login and run the search. This is a simple way to find the official sign-in page quickly, especially if you don't already have the login link saved in your bookmarks. When the search results appear, look for the official Hubstaff sign-in option. It should clearly say sign into Hubstaff. As always, it's a good idea to make sure you're clicking the official website so you know you're entering your account details in the right place. Once you see the correct result, click on Sign into Hubstaff. This will take you to the Hubstaff login page. Give the page a moment to load fully before moving on. On this screen, you'll see the fields where you can enter your account information. This is the main page used to access your Hubstaff account, whether you're logging in to manage your team, track time, or view your workspace. Now go ahead and fill in your login details. Enter the email address associated with your Hubstaff account, then type in your password in the password field. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, especially your password, since even a small typo can prevent you from getting in. If you're on a personal device and you log in often, you may also choose to let your browser remember your credentials, but only do that if the device is secure and not shared with other people. After your details are entered, click the Sign In button. Hubstaff will then process your login and, if the information is correct, take you straight into your account. If the login doesn't work, double check that your email and password were entered correctly and try again carefully. It's also worth checking whether caps lock is on, since passwords are case sensitive. And that's all there is to it. Logging into Hubstaff is a quick process. Search for the Hubstaff login page, open the official sign-in link, enter your details, and click Sign In. Once you're in, you can continue with whatever you need to do inside your account.